Hey guys, it's 6 o'clock in the morning here at our campsite, and as you can see, we all just woke up. We're all pretty. We just finished putting away our tent. This is our campsite, this little place. Yesterday, what did we have for dinner yesterday, Ben?
We had this can of like Chinese sweet and sour, and we put a package of ramen in it, and it actually wasn't that bad.
Alex, was dinner good last night?
What?
Was dinner good last night?
It was delicious.
Okay,
It
but
cost like $3.
only $3, he said. Alright, well, we're all really tired, as you can see. We're about to go jump in the shower so we can head to Vegas. Alright, out.